Maine Mura meets Rarotonga campaign was awareness raising campaign, bringing health and environment together. It's a collaboration with the Whakaarea Society, Cook Islands Family Welfare Association.
At CFWA, we deal with both mental and physical health of women, anything from being an older person to girls that are learning about their bodies. We were able to talk about reproductive systems, why girls get their first menstrual cycle, and how it affects them throughout their life.
So through this program we were fortunate enough to touch base with 5 of our senior high schools here on Rarotonga, that being Paparoa, Tikavaka, Nukutere, Te Reora and Te Ukio. So through those 5 schools we were able to speak to the year 8s all the way up until the year 13s. We probably spoke to about close to 500 of these senior students, so a good range of students that we were able to speak to, not only on women's health and the changes that us as women are experiencing at these younger ages, but talking more about alternative reusable feminine products, being the reusable pads, the moon cup, and the new one that we were able to talk about being the period undies.
It's never been done in Rarotonga before. It's definitely a new idea and new options for our students here and for our young people. I think it's an awesome initiative, and the fact that our students are being able to be a part of it is really cool. The kids are excited about it.
If you have heard about the menstrual products and you're a bit too shy to talk about it, I think it's best to just ask anyway. The group that's a part of it is, really warm and really welcoming to answer your questions, so feel free.